Hey y'all, Chuck here. Paige. Magix. Mema. Hey, Mafia told me that they're gonna take me to lunch today. Or maybe I'm taking them to lunch.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm sure I'm taking them to lunch. Next to us and get some beef soup. So I want to bring you guys along for some beef. And yeah, let's go. I'm so happy that the town is a little bit slower. I went on a 10K bike ride this morning. It's still cold, but I'm sweating. I feel good.
Hello.
We're all.
Same.
I told him I'd put the seat down back there. We're like, no problem. Un. It's warm. Un. Okay, we're off. Any more friends coming? Huh? Any more coming? Okay, we're here. Here. There's where we're at. Sakon Nakhon that way, Nakhon Phanom that way, and Top Phanom. And Mukdahan is that way. So they got good beef here. So what they cut looks pretty good. Polamai, fruit. Sweet soy. Lunch with the mafias. Hey, cheers. We're missing the mafia. Try to get a straw. Here's the happiness. Weความสุขทุกวัน I like hanging out with these guys because they're always happy, always eating good food, and never a dull moment. So, got an announcement on our new trip coming up. We're going to Sing Buddy. One suit. We're leaving Friday, 4 days. I took you guys there once before. It was very fun. A lot of eating. It was just me and Pookie, me and Paige that went, and it's going to be a blast. So. น้ำจิ้มเจลอร่อยแซ่บหลายครับคุณมากครับอร่อยมาก Very good. So is this เนื้อ beef
มากินย่างเนื้อมากินย่างเนื้อ
Very good.
ฝรั่งกินย่างเนื้อฝรั่งอยากกินย่างเนื้อมันโอเคอร่อย
Very good.
ก้อย
Huh?
ก้อย
Goy. So this is goy beef. Goy beef. Beef. And it's raw. Do they put anything to try to kill any kind of lime? I don't recommend anybody eating that. A lot of Thai people like to eat raw stuff. I have my own opinions on it. I'm sure you guys do too. But I won't be participating in that. So that is pak. So that looks like pork. Is that moo? And this is soup, tom yum. Nakin means looks delicious. Nakin. Try some of this. This stuff is very good and spicy. Awesome, look at that. right, here we go. Very good. Very good. A little spicy. Beef is good. That's the first time I've had lap with beef. It's good.
นี่ใส่ไหม
Oh.
พอดีไหมพอดีไหมหวานเดี๋ยวมันหอมมืดเดียวหอม
Okay, I got it.
พอเช็คก่อนเยอะเช็คดิ
My alcohol.
ไม่ดูท้องไม่สบาย
Gin, Phanom gin my day.
ทำ
Alloy.
อร่อยท้องไม่สบายกำลังประสบท้องสบายมาก
Tong Keng.
ท้องเก่ง
Tong Keng. He's got a strong stomach.
มาแล้ว
That's good stuff. Okay. Now we have a lot of food. Yup. A lot of food.
นี่มันไม่มา
Where she keeps the sticky rice, cao niao, in a little cooler thing, but it's obviously hot. That's pretty cool looking. I like it. So it stays warm all the time. I think I'm embarrassing her. So let's try the soup.
เพี้ยนนั้นก่อนนะแหลมยังไงเจ็บเดี๋ยวเห็นกล้วยตัวที่น่าอร่อยไหม
I don't like. How come we haven't eaten here before?
ไอ้วัวตื่นผ้าไปหรอวะบ้ามันกินบ้าไม่ได้กินถ้ากันโจ๊กเลยไม่ได้กิน
So much food and beer, soup, full, and im alloy. So the name of this place is, where is it? Yuja. Yeah, I know that says
ต้มมือนั่นหน่อยกินสองมือ
lap sap. Sap is alloy in Isan, which is tasty, very good. So lap is what this is, and sap is alloy. Lap sap.
ลาบก็ต้มนี่นะ
These ladies over here are working hard, getting ready for lunchtime. We're a little early, but that's her daughter.
เอาไปนอนใส่
And that's what families do here in Thailand. The kids help
แล้วแต่แถว
with whatever the business is. They do help, and they usually give the kids some money. A lot of times it's only like 300 to 500 baht a day to help out.
เมื่องั้นก็เจ้าขายอันไปแห่งแล้วขาย
So I think they were fattening me up full of awesome beef and like 5 beers. Via hot quart. So I think they were fattening me up so I could pay the bills. So we'll see how much all this stuff costs for 6 people and enough leftovers to probably feed 2 or 3 more people. So great food, great company, good time. Awesome day. I didn't have anything going on today, so just being with this group made my day. I'm sure we're going to want to do something later too. I don't know. Barbecue Plaza. We'll see. Let's see. Check bin cop.
280จ่ายมา1,280แพงไหม
Okay, that's it.
แพงไหม
Not paying.
ไม่แพง
Not paying. Too.
ถูกมาก
Okay, lunch for everybody with the beers. 5 beers. 6 beers. 1,300 baht. So US dollars, you'll have to do the math wherever you're from, is 43 US
ว่าไปกิน
dollars.
กุ้งอีกเจอหน่ะบ่อยเนี่ย
Crazy cheap. Anyway, thank you for coming with us today. I hope you enjoyed the lunch with the mafias. I don't know what we're doing later, but if we're not doing anything, then I will see you guys tomorrow. If we are doing something, I'll give you a little sneak peek at the end of the video. Anyway, thanks for coming, and I'll see you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
ไปน้ำกันหน่อย
บาย
บายเอาสปีดกล้องเอาสปีดกล้องบาย
I should have known better than to end the video. So yeah, of course they took the leftovers, made some soup. We took a break. Yeah, we're gonna barbecue. That's a Thai style barbecue pit. These are little pieces of wood that have usually they have some kind of chemical in it to light it. But I have this that I bought in where did I buy that? Oh, I bought it in an udon at a like a Phanom store. So I'm gonna use that to start it. We ain't wasting no time now. So they went and bought a bunch of other stuff, of course. I don't know what it is. Anyway, yeah. Huh? Barbecue? Barbecue Plaza? Barbecue Plaza. All right, let's show them how to start a fire. Playing now.
Every breath you take, and every move you
Thai style on the porch.
every bond you break, every step you take, I'll be watching you. Every single day, every word you say, every game you play, every night you stay, I'll be watching you.
I bought that Piper's Seagram's scotch. It was 400 baht, so I'm gonna give it a try. Somebody told me about Bell's whiskey, but I forgot what he said, and I thought it was Piper. So anyway, we'll try the Piper's Scotch whiskey. Piper's is not bad. Of course, it's mostly water. It's not bad. Barbecue Plaza. Don't eat that. That's bad. Don't ask me how I know. Yên mấy?
ด้วยเอาตัวนี้กำลังไปส่งบอกว่าโหลดเนี่ยแบนอยู่ก็จำก็ปีได้ก็คือในใจตัวมีอำนาจไม่มีใจ
What else is there to do on a Tuesday, huh? Today's Tuesday, right? Well, that's it, folks. Awesome day today. Lunch with the mafias and party on the plaza. So, anyway, again, thank you for watching the video. Please like the video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and share it. And I will definitely see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Bye.